Foot spas are an ultimate treat for tired and achy feet, providing relaxation and rejuvenation at the end of a long day.
These innovative devices offer a soothing and invigorating experience, combining massage, heat therapy, and hydrotherapy. Designed with various features like adjustable settings, vibrating nodes, and bubble jets, foot spas cater to individual preferences and target specific foot concerns.
Users praise their ability to relieve muscle tension, reduce swelling, and improve circulation.
The warm water and gentle massage stimulate pressure points, promoting overall well-being and reducing stress levels. Compact and easy to use, foot spas offer a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Whether for self-care or as a gift, foot spas have garnered positive reviews for their ability to provide much-needed foot relief and relaxation.
Hello, audience. Prepare yourselves for an electrifying display of premium foot spas. Join me, subscribe, and let's embark on this exciting journey as a united force. After conducting a comprehensive evaluation, the ZETYO brand has secured an impressive 5th position in our rankings. This Pedicure foot spa has heating, massage, oxygen bubbles, vibration, and red light functions. It can quickly heats up and maintains the water at the set temperature, gently massaging and soothing your tired feet. This foot massager spot is equipped with 22 removable non-motorized rollers dotted with ECU notes. Targeting feet pressure points for a more in-depth massage, which can consequently help you avoid common foot problems and brings better foot health. This foot soaker enhances your foot pampering experience with rhythmic vibrations and oxygen bubbles that effectively soothe your feet. Further de-stress by placing spa materials in medical box, which can help you better enjoy the foot spa. This foot bath spa with heat and massage is very easy to operate. Digital display with indicator lights helps track working settings of the foot bath massager conveniently and visibly. Control and adjust all functions with simple touch of 4 clearly marked buttons. A great gift for your mom or dad. All foot spa massagers have a full range of safety protection systems such as water and electricity separation and short circuit protection, which are strictly checked before packaging. Nixa has rightfully earned its recognition by securing the 4th position on our prestigious list. This versatile foot spa bath offers a range of functions including heating, massage, oxygen bubbles, vibration, and red light therapy to gently massage and soothe your tired feet. With a diameter of 15.7 inches, it comfortably accommodates feet up to 12 inches, making it suitable for the whole family. The intelligent temperature control efficiently heats the water to your desired temperature and maintains it throughout your entire foot spa massage session, eliminating the need for additional hot water. Equipped with 4 removable non-motorized rollers dotted with ECU notes, this Pedicure foot spa provides a deep massage experience. It also features bubble strips, raised nodes, and special functions like red light therapy and vibration for an enhanced massage experience. Pamper your feet further by placing spa materials in the small box and using the included footstone to shape them to perfection. We are delighted to introduce the Beinilai brand, which has achieved an impressive 3rd position on our esteemed list. This collapsible foot spa bath massager boasts rapid heating capabilities, reaching 111 degrees Fahrenheit swiftly. Additionally, the handle on the top of the foot soak tub provides convenience, allowing for easy lifting without requiring 2 hands. The oxygen bubble jets with vibration function stimulate acupressure points and enhance blood circulation. The foot bath spa with heat and massage features 6 non-motorized feet rollers, providing a deep tissue massage during each soak. Equipped with a removable pumice stone, it offers pedicure and exfoliation benefits, allowing for a professional foot bath experience at home. The collapsible design allows for easy storage in narrow spaces, with a height of just 4.53 inches when folded. The foot spa includes a dust-proof cover for cleanliness when not in use. Ensuring safety, it incorporates a hydroelectric separation system and temperature protection system. Crafted from high-quality materials, it offers durability over extended use. This foot spa with heat, massage, and jet serves as an ideal gift for your loved ones, including on special occasions like Mother's Day. HoMedics, a highly esteemed and well-known brand, secures a deserving second place on our prestigious top list with its exceptional range of products. Indulge your tired feet with the Bubblemate Foot Spa, designed to provide a rejuvenating experience after a long day of work. The massage water jets and raised nodes gently massage and soothe your overworked feet, offering much-needed relaxation. Additionally, the foot spa includes a callus-removing stone for pampering and shaping your feet to perfection. With its integrated splash guard, the foot spa prevents splashing and spills, allowing for a mess-free experience. The convenient toe touch control enables easy on and off operation without the need to wet your hands. HoMedics is dedicated to creating a healthy home environment that promotes relaxation, stress relief, and a simplified life. Nixa has earned the highly coveted top position on our list, offering an exceptional product that excels in both safety and reliability. This versatile foot spa bath integrates heating, massage, oxygen bubbles, vibration, and red light functions, providing a complete relaxation experience for your mind and body while soothing tired and overworked feet. The heated foot spa is suitable for a wide range of individuals, including the elderly, insomniacs, athletes, and those with cold feet. With 22 small massage rollers, it effectively stimulates all the acupressure points on your soles, offering a deep massage that relieves muscle stress, improves metabolism, and enhances sleep quality. The foot spa also features adjustable heating temperature options, eliminating the hassle of constantly adding hot water and maintaining a consistent temperature. For safety, it automatically shuts off after 60 minutes of continuous use to prevent overheating. With special functions like bubbles, rollers, and infrared light, the HomeFoot Spa enhances the overall massage experience. The bubble oxygen feature generates oxygen in the water, promoting water circulation. Additionally, the foot spa includes a medicine box to hold spa materials, allowing for exfoliation and improved foot skin appearance with the provided foot stones. This foot bath with heat and massage makes for a thoughtful gift for your family and friends. Nixa is dedicated to bringing a convenient and healthy home environment to every household. We highly value your foot spa feedback. Share your thoughts in the comments to help us improve. Thank you for actively participating in our mission.